Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make 100 plus pip every single day very easily using my system, my Magic IB system, okay, which you can see right here at work. This is Euro Yen last week, 20-minute chart, beautiful entry here, then move to the upside, then again an entry, then move, and this is my live trade here, buy entry and all that, right? So let me show you. Today is Monday. And we open up on Sunday yesterday, half a day, right? Sunday evening, 5 o'clock, market opens up, and then Monday. Today is gone. Monday is gone already. So let me show you how I did in these 2 days, okay, using this system. So let's get started. This is this trade. The entry was last week, but I closed on Sunday, February 4th. Sell Aussie Yen 20-minute chart. I use these candles and 20-minute chart and 40-minute chart for the direction. Okay, and I do webinar and I teach every single thing. And when you subscribe, I'll give you every single thing. You have nothing to worry about. So now look at this. Sell, SL is move. This is the setup. Price drop, bounce from this support. And where these supports come from, resistance, support, I teach everything. Okay, my analysis, I give you my analysis, weekly chart, monthly chart, perfect analysis. Sell here, open a short all the way down, probably like a 75, 80 pip right there. Okay, Sunday on the February 4th. Another trade, Sunday, February 4th, Euro Aussie long setup. This was a beautiful entry here. This was an entry here. This was an entry here. This is the one I took right here. Buy SL moved to 15 plus pip and then went up to 70 pip easy. This was the target, 57.67. Next trade was on the 5th today, Monday. Okay, and there's a lot of trades today. 20-minute Euro Aussie after it went up. It start to come down. Look right here. This is the short. SL move and all the way down. Not a big trade, but yeah, something. Right? 45, 50 pip. Next one is the 5th. Today, February 5th. Pound yen. Nice and easy. Probably like 60, 67, 70 pip here. Right. Nice sell order here. SL move here. And look at this, the entry. The indicator is all the way to the upside. Price, going into the wave, blue candles, and turn into red, all the way down. Perfect by the book. This is also perfectly by the book. Blue candles turn into red candles, indicators all the way down. This was an entry. This was an entry. If you miss this one, you take this one. Anyway, this one, I shorted here. Sell order, nice and clean, 80 pip to the downside. On February 5th, you can see that the date down here as well. These are all trades, alive. You can see it. SL, my order here, and SL here. Another one on the 5th, USD CAD. Look at this. This was an entry, beautiful entry. This was a beautiful entry, and look this one. All the way down. To the upside, 130 plus pips so far on the 5th. And last but not least, this one, pound Aussie, 20-minute sell order up here. Why up here? Because this 78.53 is a big, huge low, weekly number on the weekly chart. And I was watching it, and as soon as we touch it, we got short entry here. I made a sell order here, SL here, all the way down 145 pip. So now you can make the total for only, on February 5th today, you will probably have, around 400 pip in one day. So all I'm saying is that if you can easily, if you master this, if you learn and you master this, all you gotta do is make 100 pips a day. That's all you need. That's all. And you can see here how easy it is. And if I show you the entries, like in pound USD and pound NUSI, all of that gave so many beautiful entries, but you can only trade so many trades at one time. It is hard to manage that. If you have too many 10, 20 trades going on, you cannot manage them. So I just let them go. I was watching it because once you have several monitors and you have charts open all over the place, these setups build up. You see this EA here, it gives you an alarm. It should start beeping when the setup is about to be built. And when you see the beeping, you can come in the bottom. You can see the journal, and then you can read which pair is beeping. And you just open that up and watch the candle color changes. And when you have a trigger candle, open the trade. Boom, let's go. So this is how it is. My system. If you like what you saw, just go on my website and subscribe. Let me show you my website real quick here. This is my website here, right? So you have it here. You can just come here, and this is myforexmagicwave.com, and go here, subscribe, use this button, and subscribe, and just get your charts and everything ready. I will send the emails, including everything, all the charts, all the ES indicators, training videos. You have everything. Okay. And of course, if any problem, loading the charts or opening the charts, and if you can't understand anything, then I have someone that will go online through TeamViewer or Skype into your computer, or guide you how to do this, do that, and you set up your charts just like my charts. Like this. These are the trades last week. You see this? This was February 1st, pound yen, 20 minutes. Look how nicely it came down and bounced exactly from here, right? And look at this, by the book, went up, came down into the wave, New Zealand yen, bounce, catching the trade. This is my analysis. I said pound, I mean not pound, Aussie index, right? It's gonna drop, and look what happened to this chart. Straight down, right? Straight where I said it will go. So this is how beautiful it is. And look, this is USDX. I'm tracking it since January 2017. I said it's going to drop here, go up, and then drop all the way down. Look what happened to that chart. Down, up, all the way down. And then I said it's going to go up and all the way down here. Look what happened to this chart. Up and all the way down here. Right now it is here. USDX on 2nd February I made this chart. So this is my analysis. Once you have, these are this is USD index, individual currency index. When it is going down, USD getting weaker, and you can trade accordingly. All the USD pair, when USD is getting weaker, that means Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, New Zealand USD, they will go up, and USD CAD, USD Yen, USD Franc will go down. So you can trade all 7 pairs in that direction. All you gotta do is using my Magic Abyss system and get the proper setup, just like this one. If you know that Euro USD is going down, you just wait until you get this indicator all the way up. Price is under the wave, going into blue candle, turning into red. Open the trade, and once you move, just come and sit on break even and watch it going. That's all. Look, entry, gone all the way. Right? Beautiful, beautiful trade. Very nice system. I don't know, I got frozen here. All right, so this is it for now. And like I said, if you like what you saw, just go ahead and on my website, subscribe, and get the whole system, and set up your charts and start trading. Thanks for watching, and have a great trading week.